headwaters and giving a little bit of a buffer. Appreciate the wind going down. We do have some bike riders out here on the Riverwalk. We've seen a lot of those throughout the day, both in San Marco and the San Jose neighborhood and down here as well. We will keep you posted on the conditions as they are expected to continue to be strong throughout the rest of the day until the late afternoon. For now, Mia O'Brien, First Coast News on your side.